This might be the worst case of gunk I've ever seen in a charge port. See if I can give you guys a clear picture of the misery in here. Wow. Oh my gosh. This guy's definitely playing in the dirt. In the sandbox. Holy. You know what? I think there might be a quarter in here. Holy moly. That's pocket lint to a whole new level. Look at this. Wow. I think the phone's not charging. Okay, let's see if we can get it out here, and then maybe we can. Let me get my tweezers real quick. Wow. Oh yeah. That's disgusting. Okay, so we're gonna put it down, and then we're gonna show you guys what this gunk is. And this is gonna be great. This is gonna be wonderful. Holy moly. Oh my. I think I might have this for dinner. Okay. Well, might not see the satisfaction of a clean port, but I'm gonna do my best to get most of this out now. But I think I'm gonna probably blow it at some point somehow. Okay. So I'm gonna blow this out, and then I'll show you guys what this looks like under a microscope. The lint. Wow, this is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I can't even scoop it out. I gotta turn it over. Okay, let's go to the lint. Oh my. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my. That is wonderful.